Hi Sweet Blossoms, I'm Nazanin. Welcome to my crochet corner. Let's make the cutest flower bookmark clip together. All you need is a 20 or 24 inches or 15 or 16 centimeter of the yarn and a paper clip. It's quick and beginner friendly. You can make it in any color you like, and you can turn it to the cutest and sweetest little bookmark. Are you ready? Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. I'm using my leftover yarns. It's a cotton yarn with 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. All you need is the 15 or 16 centimeter of the yarn. Grab your paper clip. Make a slip knot on your hook. And wrap a yarn around your hook like this. Hold it. Insert your hook into your paper clip. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Grab a yarn, pull through two. Grab a yarn, pull through two loops. Here is our first double crochet. We need two more. Wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook in the paper clip. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Pull through two, pull through two. We need one more. Wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook in the paper clip. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Pull through two and pull through two. Chain two, and again make 3 double crochet in the paper clip. 1, 2, and 3. Make a chain, tight chain, and cut the yarn a little longer. Okay, with your look, I have more extra. My yarn not yet. Now I wanna make my tulip flower with the orange color. Bring your favorite color. Make a slip knot on your hook. Wrap yarn around your hook. Insert your hook in the chain 2 space. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Grab a yarn, pull through 2. Grab a yarn, pull through 2. Here is our first double crochet. We need 6 more double crochet in the ring. Just insert your hook in the ring and make a double crochet hook. Wrap yarn around your hook. Insert your hook in the chain 2 space and make a double crochet. Total of our double crochet will be 7. I need one more. Bring your hook out of the last stitch. Insert your hook inside the first stitch. Grab the full stitch, okay? Grab the last loop of the last stitch. Bring it out from the first stitch, pull it tight, and make a chain 3. Insert your hook inside the loop here. Grab your tail of the yarn from the first. Make a slip stitch in there. Grab a yarn and bring it out from the loop. Again, make chain 3. Insert your hook. Same space here. Bring it out from there. Grab a yarn, bring it out, and bring it out from the loop. We need one more. 1, 2, 3. Again, insert your hook inside the loop, bring it out, and make a slip stitch. Make a little tight slip stitch and chain, and cut the yarn a little longer. Here is our little tulip. Now all we need to do is that secure the tail of the yarns in the wrong side and go to the wrong side. insert your needle between the stitches very slowly and secure it. That's it. For the leaves, do the same. Just secure it. Oh, tell me which color would you make yours? Do you love the bright colors or the rainbow colors? Tell me in the comments. And what flower should I crochet next? Tell me your ideas in comment below. Okay, for the other side. How many would you make if you had a 16 centimeter of yarn? I think I can make 3 version of this tulip with 2 type of the yarn with a 60 centimeter measurement. Okay, got the tail of the yarns and ta-da! It's done. That's it. It's very easy, quick. I told you before, guys. You can make them in any color you like and just attach it in your books or your okay, or chapter, and that's it. I made it in the different colors. I wanna give them as a gift to my students, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed making this tiny flower bookmark with me. Don't forget to save this video and send it to your friends. Follow for more cute crochet ideas. Please tell me what should I crochet next. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye bye.